now it's too late to me. Many nights that I spend in places so wrong, I know I should have been at home where I belong. I know next time I gotta hold on.